Okay, the example right here. This is wrong because this says 4 meters. It should technically be 5. Here's why. This is 10 meters. So this right here is also how long? This blue line. Oh, my bad. How long is this here? 10. What part of the circle is that, though? If I were to draw a circle and finish it. Well, yes, this is a half circle. But what is this line here? The what? The diameter. Thank you. Diameter is 10. So what is my radius? 5. So what should my radius squared be? 25. Here they mistakenly wrote 4. This should be 3.14 times 5 squared. Cross this out, put a 5 squared here. Then this is not 25 and 1200ths anymore. It's 3.14 times 25. And your notes should be out so that we can quickly figure out what 3.14 times 25 is. Which is what? 78.5. Then I'm going to divide by what? Because it's not a whole circle, it's a semicircle. Divide by 2. Good. 78.50 divided by 2. How many times does 2 go into 78? 39. That's the answer that I need so I can get this done quickly. 39 times 2. 78. How many times does 2 go into 50? 25. So this is 39 and 2500 meters squared. Now I'm going to add that with the area of this rectangle. The base of the rectangle is 10. The height is 8. 10 times 8 is 80. Now I'm going to add that to this 39 and a quarter. 39 and a quarter plus 80 should be how much? 119 and a quarter. Good. Meters squared. Even book publishers are not perfect. They sometimes make mistakes. It is okay. Keep it moving. Okay, the next one, the area of the shaded region with the circle inside the square. Okay, moving on to the muscles gym that has a rack of hand weights. There are 4 hand weights that weigh 5 pounds each. This rectangle and this rectangle are what? The same. I'm not measuring weight. Yes, they are 5 pounds, but talking about rectangles and area. Excuse me. What is the area of the side of the hand weight shown? So I need these 2 rectangles and this one right here in the middle. I need to label what? The what? The unknown sides. So let's start with this one right here. How long is this? The whole thing over here is 4.5. So how long is this little piece right here? 1 inch, according to this over here. How long is this piece on the inside then? 3.5. Too much. 2.5. 2 point. I know it looks smaller than the 1, but if I do a piece here, a piece here, and a piece here, this is 1 and this is 1. What's 1 plus 1? 2. How much more do I need to get to 4.5? How much? 2.5. So what's 1 plus 1 plus 2 and a half? 4.5. Because that's not what they wrote here. I'm just going by what they wrote. Let's not make it more complicated, please. How long is this side up here? 4. Just like the H, I have 2 rectangles that are A and A. But down here, I have 2 rectangles that are also... They're not squares. A and A. In the middle is B. So let's calculate A equals base times height. So they're making it easy for us by giving us rectangles. What's the base and the height here?
8.4 and 4.5.
4 and 4.5. Area equals 4 times 4.5. B. What's the base and the height for that rectangle?
Same. No. 8 and 3/4.
Oh, I was gonna say those are not the same rectangles. 8 and 3/4. How do I write that as a decimal?
8.75.
8 and 7/500. Oh, base and height really don't matter where you write what's what because it's multiplication. And then the other measurement is 2.5. And then to calculate, I'll do 8 and 3/4 times 2.5. What's special about rectangle A? What about it? It's the same as the other one, so how many do I need?
2.
I need 2 of them. So 4.5 times 4. 18. And then I need 2 of them. So 18 over
36.
here and 18 over here. Good. That gives me 36. 2A equals 36 right here. Over here, I have A and 3/4 times 2.5. Come over here, show some work. A 3/4 times 2 and 2/4. Trick question. Whoops, I put my decimal in the wrong spot. 5 times 5. 5 times 7 plus 2. 5 times 8 plus 3.
43.
Good. 2 times 5.
10.
2 times 7 plus 1.
8.
2 times 7 plus 1.
7.
Guys, 2 times 7,
Oh,
14 plus 1.
15.
Thank you. 2 times 8, close my door please. 16 plus 1, 17. Add 5 plus 0, 7 plus 0, 5 plus 3, 4 plus 7, and 1 plus 1. Good. How many numbers after my decimal?
4.
3. 1, 2, 3. What do I do with this 21 and 87 or 875,000? To whom? Nope, no rounding because they want exact answers here based off these fractions.
6 and a half.
Wait. What do I do with the 21 and 875,000? No. Add it to whom?
36.
Add these and you should get your answer. Do not shout the answer out. Write it down, please. Veranda has a bag of mixed shapes. She chooses 3 shapes and fits them together to form a figure as shown. What shape is this here?
Quarter circle.
Quarter circle. What's the formula that I need for a quarter circle?
8 equals radius by 4.
Good. Stay focused. Excuse you, gentlemen. Whatever that is not my work. So you're not paying attention. This right here, and somebody's trying to get their phone back, or am I sending it to the office? This right here, square How do I find the area?
A, please,
Base times height.
Just a reminder, all students who are repeating is
Base times height for the square triangle. Base times height divided by 2. Okay, how long is this side right here? 4. How long is this side right here? 8. We do know it's a square, so it's the same here as it is down here. And this last remaining piece, how much? 5. Why? 8 plus 4 is 12. Good. It's what's left to get me to what? 17. Do I need this 17 anymore? Nope. Now, let's work it out. I have my circle, or my quarter circle. A equals pi times radius squared divided by 4. Pi is 3.14. Radius. What's my radius here? No. My radius is 4. So what's my radius squared? 16. Radius squared is 16. Area equals 3.14 times 16 divided by, nope, 4. How can I simplify this? Yes. What do I get? 4. Cross this out, make it a 4. What's 3.14 times 4? 12 and 5600ths, because that's in your note. My square, what's the area? Who times who? Which is who times who? 8 times 8, which is what? 64. And then my triangle is how much? Base times height divided by 2. What's 5 times 8? 40 divided by 2. 20. What do I do with these 3 numbers? Add them. Get ready to go. Great work, y'all.